Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Statistics for data science. In this series, we will discuss various statistical methods for data science. Here, no particular sequence will be followed. In this tutorial, we will learn about solving problem with Python. So, what is statistics? Statistics provide the theoretical framework for identifying pattern, analyzing relationship within data, making prediction by utilizing techniques like regression analysis, hypothesis testing, probability distribution, descriptive statistics, clustering analysis, and so on. Data mining, statistics, and machine learning help organizations to make better decisions. So, why statistics? Statistics plays an important role in understanding the world around us, act as a tools to gain insight into various aspects of society, healthcare, economics, leading to better planning and policy development. Statistics quantifies uncertainties using the confidence interval statistical test uh, which are used to quantify uncertainties in various fields like medical research, weather forecasting, market research. Statistics basically uh, follow systematic approach to make decision based on solid empirical evidence rather than intuition. Identify the problem, gathering data, analyzing, uh, and uses the evidence, analyzing the evidence. In this way, we can improve outcomes and reduce uncertainties. Statistics make prediction about future data by analyzing pattern trends found in historical data. Statistics learn from past data to predict what might happen in the future. So, similarly, statistics convert the raw data into clean, which is machine readable, process the data by applying different algorithms to highlight pattern trends and relationship. Outlier detection, we can use the statistic to detect outliers to identify handling the extreme data points. Similarly, statistics can be used for dimensionality reduction. Here, what is data science? Data science is the art and science of extracting meaningful insights from data to solve real world problems. Finding pattern in the data for better decision, we use the data science, predictive analysis, pattern discoveries. Uh, Data science is everywhere in banking, consultancy, healthcare, manufacturing. Uh, data science combines mathematics and statistics. Math and statistics for analyzing pattern and relation in the data, programming to process and visualize large data sets, domain expertise to interpret and apply insight effectively, automated data processing and preparation by using the AI, similarly, predictive modeling, natural language processing, anomaly detection. So, why statistics matter in data science? Statistics form the backbone of data science. First steps in it is the data exploration, which is the first steps in analyzing the data. It involves using statistical techniques and data visualization, identify outliers, modeling. Statistics modeling is actually a mathematical representation to analyze and describe pattern, relationship, and uncertainty in data. Descriptive and inferential statistics validation, how well that model accurately reflect the data can be trusted to make prediction. Sampling allows to test the hypothesis about the characteristics of the population, what the finding mean in the context. Similarly, we can uh, handle the uncertainty to make decision and navigate in situation where outcome is not fully known. Feature selection to identify and choosing a subset of most relevant features. To test the assumption about the population based on the sample data, data visualization, which is the graphical representation of the information and data using visual element like graphs, maps. So core statistical method used in data science are descriptive statistics like mean, median, mode, etc., probability, inferential statistics, regression analysis, clustering and classification, time series. Key vocabulary of statistics. In a some vocabulary where we will discuss of statistics, population, which is a complete set of items or events like all students in the university or all data mining tools in the market. Parameter characteristics that are used to define the given population. It is related to the population. For example, average GPA of university student in all university students, average income of people in the city, sample which is a portion or subset of the large population like 50 students of college or 10 program machine learning, statistic characteristics of a sample like x bar and standard deviation in which we calculate the uh, numerical value from the sample data. Variable, any characteristic that can be measured or counted like student GPA, marks, age, etc. Data, which is actually measurement of the variable like age and so on. So here the text, so we want to identify these key vocabulary of the statistics. You want to know the average income of Python programmer in a specific area. So you collect the data about 50 Python programmers. So air population, all Python programmers, parameter, average income of all Python programmers, sample subset of 50 programmers, and statistics is average income of 50 programmers. Similarly, variable is income because we are going to measure the income data. Actual income value, for example, 60,000. So in this way, we will discuss in the next lecture other statistical methods. So this was a short introduction about the statistics for data science.